Hi, welcome to the daily analysis with volume profile, price action, auction theory of different instruments. Let's start with Dow Jones. Today is January 18th, and let's see. In first place, Dow Jones. Dow Jones is a long-term graphic. This chart we talk about. This point is very important. This is a resistance because of the downtrend. And let's see what happened yesterday. Well, we talked about this wedge, and there were two possibilities. The first one, the uptrend one, was going to the projection of this pullback, and the target was 34,659. The lower targets were in first place breaking this uptrend, breaking the wedge. In first place was 34,254, and in second place, the most important target for me, so we talk about, it was the final of the VWAP line, 34,028. And then, what are the targets for today? Upper targets, current weekly VWAP, now in 3,451, and in second place, this peak of volume, this node of volume, high volume node, in 34,256. In case of breaking in the lower zone, we could go to this peak of volume. It's in exactly on a daily, it's a naked daily VPOC. It's about 33,715. Let's see what happens with S&P. S&P is in a range between 4,025, 3,975, and with is around all the time. Really, it's around this very important point, 4,000. Then this week expires some contracts, and let's see what's the behavior. In case of going down, in first place, we have several targets. The first one is this minimum of today. It's exactly on this peak of volume, 3,996, and in second place, this weekly VPOC. This is a naked VPOC, so it's very important point. The second one, as happened on Dow Jones, is the final of the VWAP, of weekly VWAP, 3,966. In case of going up, the projection of this pullback, it could take the price to 4,060. 4,050 is a place where there are a lot of options, call options, and in 3,950 here are a lot of put options. So let's see what the price decides. Let's go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq is very similar to, in this case, to S&P. And what are the targets? Where we are inside the value area of this week. So let's see if it can break this uptrend and goes to the first grade target, lower grade target. It would be at 11,400 1171. In case of going up, our first target could be 11,726. Okay, let's go to light oil. Light oil, we reached this point. It was our main target, so we marked it with a great ellipse. We touched this, and let's see what could happen. In the options market, there are a lot of options at 82 and 85 in this zone. If the price continues going up, 82 would be the first point of interest. Let's see that there is a naked daily VPOC exactly at 82.20. So it's a very, very important upper target. What are the lower targets? First place, the current weekly VPOC, it's here about 80.24, and in second time for me is the value area low of this profile, of the current profile, now in 79 approx. Well, let's see what happens with gold. Gold, we have an uptrend. It got broken, and we had, in yesterday's analysis, we had two lower targets. The first one was this peak of volume. There were two peaks of volume. We have touched this, and now this volume has rejected the price, and now it's going up. What happens now? We are inside the value area of this week, and what are the targets? Let's see. If it's the finish of this pullback, our target, and then it breaks here the max of this week, 1132. The possible target would be 1152. In case we go below the minimum of today, first target could be this price action zone, this rectangle, marked with this rectangle, and if it breaks, we could go to 1890, and in second place 1880. As we told yesterday, 1900, there were a very high number of options, so we have reached this point, and now it has rejected this point. So let's see. Well, we have the targets for gold, and in last place we'll see, but let's refresh the chart, what happens with DAX. DAX, we have a uptrend line. It has been broken, but still growing the price. Yesterday we talked about this possible target was the pullback projection, and it was fine. Touch this. Now the price has been rejected. The price has been rejected here. This is a price action, very interesting price action zone, and it will be our upper target for today. Go again to the max of this week. What are the lower targets? In first place, the most important, will be this point, the current weekly VPOC, and there is a naked daily VPOC. So 15,187, it's a very clear target for lower prices. The second point will be the value area low of this week, here exactly in 15,153, and in third place there will be 15,119, exactly on a naked weekly VPOC. Okay, that's all. Good luck. Remember, it's for educational purpose. No, it's not a recommendation. And see you tomorrow.